Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. I'm Ed and today I'm going to be talking to you about something that's familiar but different. Okay, so this is our review for the brand new Daytona Roadstar Pro model. So you all know about the Daytona Roadstar. It's been in the range for 20 years. This guy right here, it's our best-selling Daytona boot ever. It's been around forever and it's the most comfortable, beautiful touring boot on the market. But now we've got something new and even better for you guys. So coming up for 2020, we have the Daytona Roadstar Pro. So the Pro model is a professional version of the Roadstar boot with a few tweaks over the Roadstar to just give you a bit more value for money and a bit better quality. So let's talk you through those differences and all the features of this product. So Roadstar Pro, as you'd expect from a Daytona boot, is fully made in Germany. That means all the leather made in Germany. The soles is the only part which are actually made in Portugal. They import those over and they attach it all in Germany. Gore-Tex is made in Germany. This is a German boot with German engineering. So let's run around to the sole. This is a prototype model, so there'll be a slight tweak to the sole. You'll have a red Daytona running down here. On this prototype, it's grey. We wanted to stand out a little bit more over the standard model. So you've got oil and water resistant sole on the bottom. Running around the top, you've got a steel shank built into the sole as well to give you extra support on your instep. Coming above that, gel pad to reduce the vibrations over long distance riding. Also, those guys who use Daytonas know you use them for a long time and they do wear beautifully. But if you do wear through a sole at any time, you can get them replaced by Daytona at a cost. But if you wear through a sole on a long distance tour, underneath the sole you've got that gel pad that protects your Gore-Tex, keeps your feet dry even if you're on a long tour until you get back and you can get that sole replaced or replace the boot. Running up, full leather construction throughout the boot. You can see we've changed the heel plate here so it's a bit more stylish, a bit more hard wearing around the heel. Added some extra armour inside as well, so there's a bit larger armour plate for the Pro model over the standard Roadstar. Nice little detailing with the Gore-Tex tab here. Running around to the front, you've got toe protection, aramid fibre plate across the toe to protect the Gore-Tex membrane from wearing away when you're changing gear or braking. Coming around the front, you can see we've got this embossed Daytona. Really modern look, looks much nicer on the Pro than it does on the standard Roadstar, which the design was aging a little bit. This is a much cleaner, much fresher, modern design. Running down the front, you've got kangaroo leather panel here, on the stretch material. Running around the side, you can see that dual system. I'll show you that a bit more in a minute, and their heel plate running around. Come back to the top of the boot. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but you've got full Daytona Gore-Tex coverage on the inside. So this is still a Gore-Tex boot, completely covered by that Gore-Tex warranty. So that's 2 years warranty on the waterproofing of this boot. I'll come back to the warranty in just 1 second. So we've done something extra special for the Pro models in the series. So coming down the side, talking about the physical features still, that's your number 1 zip. As I mentioned earlier, there's your number 2 zip down this side. And then you've got calf adjustment running down the back of Velcro. The reason we have 2 zips on this model is the large zip on this side, that's to do the product up, obviously, keep it nice and safe. Has a short zip on this side to get it over that instep so it doesn't put too much pressure on the zip. So if you are trying these on your store, always make sure you do the big zip up first, small zip up second. You'll also notice the zip is curved, so if you do get pressure on the zip and it does burst, they are burst resistant zips. But if you do get pressure when you're having an accident, it should stop at the turn of the zip. That means the boot's going to stay on your foot even if the zip does fail in high extreme situations. Again, running around to the top, when you're buying a Gore-Tex boot, little tip, look at the top. Wherever the Gore-Tex comes to, that's where the Gore-Tex ends, so it's a fully waterproof boot from the German manufacturer. So talking about the Pro model again, what are the differences? You get that new, sleek, modern design over the Roadstar boot, extra armour built into the product. Obviously it's going to be fully CE certified, fully Gore-Tex waterproof. We've also added 2 more years to the warranty. So you get a 3-year warranty with the Pro series of products. Pro series of products run Roadstar Pro, Travel Star Pro and the Spirit Pro all have a 3-year warranty, so whenever you see that word Pro on a Daytona boot within the UK, you're going to get your 3-year warranty. So that's your Daytona Roadstar Pro model, available 2020 from all good Bikerheadz dealers. Please check out the website bikerheadz.co.uk for any more information.